Welcome back. May is Mental Health Awareness Month. And did you know that 1 in 10 young men struggle with depression, yet many suffer in silence?
That's why our next guest has spent over 35 years helping adolescent men take control of their mental well-being. Thomas J. LaGrave Jr. is a former Navy SEAL, licensed clinical social worker, and author. Welcome to Great Day Washington. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. Yes, I appreciate it.
Of course, it is. Why do you feel so many men are kind of suffering in silence?
There's a stigma in what men should be, and it goes back to ancient times, and I especially have been working in the last several decades to change that, to have them understand that emotions are something that we men can have.
Any tools that if someone is listening to this, they are struggling, they're feeling overwhelmed, is there one tool that they could go to right now to use?
You know what, it's 3 A's: acknowledge, act, and then acknowledge, act, and I forget the last one.
I think ask. We have them up right there. We've got a cheat sheet for you.
Well, thank you. And the acknowledgement is to acknowledge that what you're feeling is authentic. And then ask yourself or reach out to others and share with them to see what the feedback is. And then act on it and know that life is going to be difficult, and what you need to do is never give up and never give in.
Yeah, it's so great to talk about it, because you're right, there's a stigma, and then people they suffer, or maybe it leads to negative things in their own life. What is one message you want every parent to know, or maybe a young man that's listening? What would you like him to know?
At this stage, what it comes down to is the young folks today just need to know that there are individuals out there, there are mentors and guides and teachers and coaches. I am not the only one. There are a plethora of those, and what you need to do is reach out to see that, and they will allow you to know that they'll earn your trust, and you will find a place that you can go to when times are very difficult.
If they don't know where to start that search, though, is your website a good place? I know you've written a book too, or how do they go find that community?
My website is thehonorboundacademy.org, and the book, you can find that on Amazon.
Okay, and then they'll find maybe connections and resources.
Everything on the Honor Bound Academy, everything that I have, the program that I've created, and all the years of experience are there for those to, seek, and all the knowledge is there. That everything that I've been doing for the last 40 years is on that platform.
40 years of knowledge. Wow. We have so much more that we could learn from you. Thank you for sharing a little bit with us today.
For both of you.
For more on Tom, you can go to thehonorboundacademy.com. His book is also available for purchase on Amazon.